Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect Stripe to your big Cartel store. So let's get right into it. Now, in my case, sadly, Stripe isn't available in my country. However, I will show you exactly where to go to connect it to your store. Now, what you need to do, excuse me, once you enter your panel, your admin panel, go into your account, and then scroll down until you get to get paid. This is where you'll set up your payment options, then click on set up payment options, and here you'll have a couple different options. Depending on your region, you'll have Stripe and you'll have PayPal. In my case, as you can see, Stripe's not available in my country, so I can't really use it at the current moment. So I can't really explain to you how to set it up. Usually you'll see a connect Stripe right out under here where you'll be able to click on it, and then all you need to do is enter your account credentials for Stripe and verify everything, and that should be it. Now the same can be done for PayPal, so if I click here to connect it, as you can see, another pop-up window will appear which will perform a security check, and then it'll enable you to enter your account credentials, which will then further allow you to connect the service to your store. I'll just refuse everything. As you can see, you need to set up your email and country or region for your PayPal. Most likely you're going to do the same for Stripe, but in essence, that is pretty much it. Depending on your region, you might have more options for payment channels, but that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry I couldn't show you everything, but I'll see you guys in another video.